In our next section, Lecture 3, we're going to discuss warming up and cooling down and why both are important in the exercise world. Many people neglect the warm-up and the cool-down, but both play vital roles in the exercise routine. First, we're going to look at the warm-up. Why should you warm up and what does it do? First of all, it dilates blood vessels. This allows for oxygen to move freely to the muscles. Secondly, it increases the muscle and body temperature, and this makes muscles more flexible and increases that range of motion. Warming up wakes the body up, so less stress is placed on the cardiac function, which allows our heart to understand that we are going into the exercise process. Stretching helps muscles, joints, and tendons, and this is how we reduce our chances of injury. We also prepare our circulatory system for taxing work that's about to be done, and we also prepare our respiratory system for the upcoming workout. All activities, whether we're warming up, exercising, or cooling down, should be age appropriate and skill level appropriate. Key term we're learning here is the warm-up, and this is light exercise activity to prepare the body for intense physical activity. Next, we're going to look at the cool down. Why should you cool down, and what's the purpose? First of all, it continues blood circulation throughout the body. Now, whether you're resting or you're exercising, obviously blood will circulate through the body. But as we cool down, we're gradually bringing that blood circulation back down to the normal level where we rest at. Gradually decreases the heart rate. This reduces the risk of lightheadedness, fainting, or cardiac trouble. The third thing here is it reduces the chances of system failure due to overworking and stopping suddenly. And lastly, it allows for muscles to understand that the workout is ending. This prepares them for the rest phase. By cooling down, we are telling our body the workout is over and we're beginning to rest. It's tempting to skip the cool down process, but it is critical in ensuring that the body is free from injury and taking those safety precautions to avoid health problems. The other key term we're learning here is cool down, and this is a period of slower exercise following a more intense workout to allow the body to gradually return to its normal state.